So we're gonna make spaghetti aglio e olio. Okay, yeah, garlic and olive oil. Open up my cabinet. Let's see what I have. What is this? Oh, yeah, fettuccine and linguine. All right, that's not spaghetti, even close to spaghetti. We got garlic, we got olive oil, but we don't have spaghetti. We're gonna go to the store right now and get some spaghetti. Let's do it. Just chilling at the bus stop right now, eating my gelatin-free gummies. It's the third time I'm filming this because I keep forgetting to do the hand thing. All right, bet. All right, one Rarely's right now. Gonna buy these cool flowers really quick. Spaghetti, and I'm gonna pick up some white rice. Get it, let's get it. All right, check out how many spaghettis they have right here. Spaghetti, we got thin spaghetti, spaghetti ricotta, thick spaghetti, angel hair, and whole grain spaghetti, gluten-free spaghetti. This is insane. One of these, classico.
Use pin pad to complete transaction.
I already know. Got that Jerry Boy card. Let's get it. And we're back. It's been a full day since I went to the store. So much going on. I had a midterm today. Lab report, I woke up at 5 a.m. to finish, and I got it done 10 minutes before it was due. We're back in the kitchen. I'm gonna make some spaghetti aglio e olio. Aglio, whatever. I like making this spaghetti because number one, it's cheap. Number two, it's cheap. We have salt and spaghetti, and we have garlic and olive oil, and that's literally all I'm gonna use, folks. Nice. The way we mix and emulsify the pasta starch water with the garlic and olive oil, it's gonna taste really, really, really. Cutting this garlic into thin little strips. Okay, you'll see in a minute. Oil to the spaghetti, keep it from sticking. Essential. Set in this pan to medium heat, all right? Medium heat. Bit of oil in there. All right, garlic's in. 30 seconds left for the pasta, and then it goes into the pan, all right? There's the sound we all know and love. Just before the garlic starts to brown, we're gonna throw in a bit of pasta water here. That stops the cooking process for the garlic. I only cooked the pasta for 7 out of the 10 minutes it said to on the box. Why? Because we're gonna finish off in the next 3 minutes in the pan. Transfer about a cup of pasta water into a small dish. We're gonna bring this back into the pan. This is like liquid gold here, folks. All right, and here we go. There we go. You hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Just look at this. This is cohesive right here, okay? It's still cooking. We gotta give it something to cook with. Give it a little bit of water to cook with. Everybody's always talking about al dente this, al dente that. What does it actually mean? To the tooth, okay? When you cut open a piece of spaghetti here, you shouldn't be able to see the little dot right here, okay? There's like a white dot. You shouldn't be able to see that. This is essentially an emulsification, which if you don't know what that means, it's the combining of two ingredients that don't mix together, like oil and water. No matter how much you try and put them together, it's nonpolar and polar molecules, so they don't mix well together and they separate unless you give it something to bind to, like this starchy pasta water. You heat that up, you get them both nice and hot. Okay, you combine the two in small quantities, a little bit at a time with the pasta water, and you have like this whole cohesive binding of both the olive oil, starchy pasta water, and that becomes like this very smooth and just rich, deep flavor in every single bite of the spaghetti. Mamma mia! I'll probably cut that part out. All right. GoPro, take a photo.